Hello everyone, this is Shweta Negi. Welcome to you my YouTube channel Experience the Maths, and we are solving 10th class Maths NCERT book chapter 9 exercise 9.1 question number 9. Okay, according to the question number 9, the angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree, and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. If the tower is 50-meter height, find the height of the building. So in this we have two types of building. One is building and one is tower. Okay, so that means if we are watching from the foot of the tower, that means both the building and the tower is standing opposite to each other. Okay, that's why if we are watching from the foot of the building to the top of the tower, and the angle of elevation, and in second case if we are watching from the foot of the building to the top of the tower, so both the there are two situation. Okay, now so which will be higher, building or a tower? So as I told you, the object which have the more height, the angle of elevation is more. So here is the 60 degree, one is 30 degree angle, one is the 60 degree angle. So angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. That means when we are watching from the foot of the building to the tower, then the angle of elevation is 60 degree. It means the height of the tower is more than height of the building. Okay, so based on this given information, first we will draw our diagram. So according to the given information, first we are a tower and a building is standing on a ground. As the angle of elevation from the foot of the building is more, so the height of the tower will be more than the height of the building. Okay, so the angle of elevation from the foot of the tower to the top of the building is 30 degree, and from the building, from the bottom of the building, the angle of elevation of the tower is 60 degree. So here first we have draw the diagram. So we are considering the height of the building is h and the distance between the foot of the tower and the building as x. So now first we will take in the larger triangle, in right angle triangle ABC. ABC, tan 60 degree, perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is AB and the base is BC. So perpendicular, the AB is 50 and base is x. So value of x we are getting after cross multiplying and putting the value of tan 60 degree is equal to root 3. Cross multiplication and after rationalizing, 50 upon root 3 से multiply and divide, so it will be 50 root 3 upon 3 meter. Okay, so now, so the base we have got. So now we will use tan 30 degree in the triangle, smaller triangle, that is DCB. Okay, in which the height of building is included and base included. With the help of first given condition, we have calculated the base of the distance between the two buildings. Okay, so now tan 30 degree, perpendicular upon base. In this case perpendicular will be the DC, base will be the BC, same. And what we are considering, the height of the building as h and base is x. So tan 30 degree will be the 1 upon root 3 is equal to h upon x. Cross multiply, h equal to 1 upon root 3 into x. And what is the value of x? We have calculated before. It is 50 upon 3 into root 3. So root 3 will be cancel out. So we have the value h equal to 50 upon h equal to 50 upon 3 meter height of the building. And if we want to divide it, it will be like this. Okay, it will be in this form. So this is the complete solution of the question number 9. सो इन दिस क्वेश्चन डू नॉट गेट कन्फ्यूज विद दी कि किस मतलब टावर का हाइट हो एंगल होगा 60 या बिल्डिंग का होगा, या किस कौन से, क्योंकि दोनों की सेम हाइट तो है नहीं। तो इसमें आपको बच्चे थोड़ा ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा कि जिस भी ऑब्जेक्ट का एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन ज़्यादा होता है उसकी हाइट ज़्यादा होती है। ये पॉइंट मैं आपको बार बार बता रही हूँ, तो इसको आपको अपने माइंड में रखना है ताकि आपकी कोई क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने में मिस्टेक ना हो।